Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as Zandramah.
Dutty Family, I only me come for chat about. With family like Uno, who are enemy, me come for rubbing it out. Name out of the same pot, come from the same man and woman. Dutty Family, remember where I come from? Drunko, I know some mama growy. Granny must have turned in her grave. Uno set up man for killing your own family instead of sickness or old age. Dog. You used to molest me when me a pitney, and you beat me not for talk. Dirty cross is nastiness. Jesus, wash me heart. And me and you used to piss the bed and play dandy shandy in a lane. So all my business are the topic, and you sit down for my name. And me and you used to play dolly house. Me going a fight for you. So all of a sudden you burn bad lamp for me. Nastiness. What me do you? You come a foreign for spend 3 months with you, and you charge me for sleep on your floor. You want to use me as babysitter and not pay me, so me couldn't take it no more. You say me not to touch your food. God bless. What reach my mouth. And through your sister me still a prosper. Crosses, you put me out. Me not have no luck with Dutty Family. Me and them no friend. Sometimes me have to ask Jesus if me could have born again. You don't like my mother, so you hate the whole away. You fight without a mama dead left house and land, and you not stop trying to be away. You inveigle my son father for do my name, and you have daughter too. Dutty stay bad mama-in-law, God must sorry the day make you. Una don't tell me for empower nobody. Don't tell me for watch my mouth. I years that them a fight me, so make me vent, spit it out. All my mama, she no nice. I barely body she take with me. The things them I should do too bad for talk. Me is the black sheep in my family. You know how much sacrifice me make for she and my siblings. Me work out myself hard. But the whole of them turn them back on me. The only family me have left is God.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Why me alone so fool?
Take it from my hands.
Me tired for them rob me. I want to send my money go good school. You know how much time I say me not help them. But see God there, I don't have the heart. Me I go on 40 days and night of fasting. Me and Dutty Family happy part. Them no call my phone. Them no look my way. But as soon as them want something, Lord Millie, you dash me away. Them come with them sweet mouth, a gossip about Elaine. And when me not say nothing, the crosses them go call back my name. I feel them pitney alone must prosper. Them no want progress to nobody else. The whole of we go up under the same roof, but them a segregation themselves. Them going like them a creme de la creme, and you must stay back. Even a space up there, them don't want you up at top. Them worse than Pharaoh and the Israelites. Them not stop fight against me. God, when you go part the Red Sea and drown my Dutty Family, matter of fact, God, don't bother. Cause some of them can't swim your fart. Just do them like how you did do Lot wife and turn the whole of them rotted in assault. Hold on. Simuncha beat up my sister there? What? She bust up her mouth? Or when me ate my sister like poison, me and Muncha go have it out. Me no care what you want to say. Make them use me. I done my Dutty Family and this is a case of emergency. Ungrateful girl chulops. Me a come. Hey Munchi, you trouble the wrong Dutty Family. Hey girl, you better run. Oh sorry. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandramah.